Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with you this nice, bright, fun card. We need a bit of reminding, don't we, that summer is on its way and hopefully we'll be in a better position to enjoy it by then. So what I've used is the Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper. There is a whole bundle of Tropical Oasis. I'll just show you some of the parts to it. There's the Timeless Tropical stamp set, and this contains one of the sentiments that I've used on today's card. Rest and relax, you deserve it. That's really nice. So that could be a birthday sentiment or could just be a general sentiment. There's some birthdays, thank you, hello, and this one's really cute. Our friendship is timeless. And beautiful images, particularly like this kind of palm tree one, cute little pineapple. So really nice stamp set. The DSP for the suite is really fun as well, and that's what I've used as the focal point to my card. I just wanted to show you in the catalogue. So this is the latest mini catalogue, and something new that's in these now is for each suite there's a list of the colours that are used, and there'll be colours that are within the designer series paper, and it's really helpful to be able to see what colours they are and what colours you want to coordinate to create your project. And this is what I use to help decide on Daffodil Delight as the card base. I've got the card base here. It's the usual dimensions, 21 centimetres by 14.9 centimetres, scored at 10.5 on the long edge. We're going to fold that in half and burnish it. Next, I've got a piece of the designer series paper. Lovely and bright, beautiful, beautiful paper, and that measures 14.4 by 10 centimetres. You can see the reverse image there, cute pineapples. A little bit of multi-purpose liquid glue, and we can pop that onto the card base. A little bit of wiggling to get that lined up. Another of the papers in the set is this one. I really like these colours on the back here, but the side we're going to use today is this, which is a kind of textured material kind of look to it. But rather than leave it plain like that, I'm going to use the embossing folder that is part of this suite, and that's called Coastal Weave. And I'll just show you the effect that that has. Hopefully you can see that as it catches the light. Really beautiful texture to it. And I've created this banner. I've literally just snipped. I'll show you now. Just sort of find your halfway point, snip up, snip from the corner into the centre, and again from the corner into the centre, and there you've got your banner. I did that before I embossed. We can attach this to the card. And I've just lined it up with the DSP layer. For our sentiment piece, I've stamped onto Whisper White in soft suede ink. And as I mentioned, I'm using the Rest and Relax sentiment. So a few taps. Firm, even pressure. A couple of seconds. There we go. And I've used the Stitched So Sweetly dies to cut that out. I'll just show you the dies. They're really nice because they're layering dies, but you've got two separate kind of shapes. You've got the standard rectangles with the stitched detail and the scalloped edging, but then you've also got these shapes as well that give you lots of different labels. They're really useful. Here's our sentiment, and I've just layered that onto a slightly larger one, again cut out using the Stitch So Sweetly dies, and I'm going to layer the sentiment onto there. And that kind of helps it just tie back in with the background when you pop it over the banner. And I'm not sure if you noticed when I showed you the original card, we've got this little bit of the burlap ribbon here. I've got a length of that, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick it to the back of our sentiment piece using tear and tape. And pop the first bit down, and then a second piece just over the top. Take the backing off of that one, hopefully, eventually, maybe. We'll get there, guys, we'll get there. Here we go, here we go. Folding that back on itself, and you might want to just pop it around the other way so you can see how much you've got poking out. And then we're going to attach that with Stampin' Dimensionals. A few of those on the back. I'm not going to pop one on that side because obviously the ribbon itself is thick, so I'll pop one on the opposite side just so that that bit doesn't bow. Pop the backing off of your dimensionals. Gradually, we're getting that. Okay, there we go. Get that central. And then the finishing touch. I've made a bit of a mess today, haven't I? Normally manage to stay a bit tidier than that. Yes, the final touch is the faceted dots, and these are the in colour ones, the latest in colour ones, so 2019, 2021. And what I've done is I've picked one of the other colours that's featured in the DSP, which is terracotta tile. And using the take a pick, I'm just going to pick up one of each of the 3 sizes and place those around the card. Oh, this one doesn't want to come off. Come on. It's taking a bit of convincing. I have to do that by hand. And there we have it. I really think that would brighten up someone's day, wouldn't it? You've got a nice bit of texture to it, lovely bright colours, really sweet. There is a blog post available featuring this card, and I will put the link to that in the description of this video. That also has the links if you would like to purchase any of the items that I've used to make this card or something similar at home yourself. If you've enjoyed the video, which I hope you have, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to be back with you soon with some more ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye.